You don't need to buy one. I'm telling you, do not buy one of these. Hey y'all, my name is Lucy May, but you can call me Lou, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be creating this fall wreath, all from materials that I got from Michael's and from Dollar Tree. So if you want to see how I make this wreath, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey y'all, so by the title, we're going to be making a fall wreath. So let me go over some materials. Okay, so I went to two places. I went to Dollar Tree and I went to Michael's. So I'm gonna do Dollar Tree first. Got these ribbons. I got these two little ribbons, and then I have a wreath hanger. See, it's like curved at the bottom, and then this part go over the door. You can use those command strips, I guess, but I don't know if like the part that's curved want to be long enough for the wreath, so I would suggest getting a wreath maker. And I only spent $3 because it was Dollar Tree. Now, don't nobody be mad, but my receipt for Michael's, I can't find it. I don't know where it is, but the stuff that I got, all of that stuff, well, not all of it, but most of it was like 40% off when I bought it. So for the rest of the stuff that I'm about to show you, I only paid like $30-ish, which wasn't that bad. So I got these two things. They're like, you know, leaves with the acorns and the berries and stuff. I have two of these little acorn things. I have this little owl. Look at it, it's so cute. I got just like the acorn, just one of these, and I just got one of these. This is the wreath. Now they do have wreaths in Michael's that's just the circle. It's not going to look like this. It's literally just a circle, and they have different sizes, but I wanted mine to look like this. I know for a fact this was like $4.50. And I got these like leaves, and they come on like a long branch. So that was all the materials. Now we're gonna put it together. I just can't remember the steps and type. I almost forgot. You're gonna need some scissors and a glue gun. Now the glue gun is optional, just simply because if you have the glue gun is optional. The glue gun is optional because you can stick the pieces in the wreath, but if you want them to be secure, that's what the glue gun is for. Because if you glue the pieces around it or whatever, it'll stay secure. Okay. So I'm gonna take my little owl first. Oh, look at him. Because I already know where I want to put him. This is our wreath. She's naked. So I'm gonna put my owl like at the bottom down here, like in the middle, so everybody can see. So we'll just stick him. See how like when I stuck him down in there, he's there, he's chilling. But if you want more security, that's where the glue gun comes in. So here he is. I don't like how he's sticking up like that, so I'm gonna push him like further down in there. And I'm gonna make sure he's like all the way in. Alright, see? Oh, he leaning a little bit, but y'all get the idea. So he's here in the middle. Alright, boom. So here he is. He's chilling. So now I'm gonna probably do the bow last because I want the bow to be like in the middle right here. So what I'm gonna do is take our little branches, and then I'm gonna just start putting these like wherever on the wreath. You don't have to do this like me, okay? I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing. You don't have to do this like me. You can do this however you want to do it. Okay, so these are how I put the leaves so far. Now, I'm gonna show y'all what I did. So I have it down a little bit. The leaves that was on the branches, this is how it looks now, but You see how it's like, and this is plastic, and you see how they like conjoin right there. All I did was pull it off. That was it. I took this, and see, some of them are like connected like this. Some of them are like connected. So yeah, and just like fold this like this, and then I just stick it wherever I want to on the side, and it'll stay in there. So if you want it right here, for instance, I just stick it in there and then turn it, flip it the way that I want. See? And that's how it'll stay. So I'm gonna do both sides, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it looks like. I'm back. And this is what I came up with. So we're gonna have to glue him down because he just don't want to cooperate with me right now. It look crazy right now because let's take him out. Because he's not centered. But what I will say is that something I just thought about. If you put this outside and it's windy, who knows what's going to happen to this. So I am going to go back and like glue down with the hot glue gun. I'm going to just, so that they'll stay. I'm going to glue those down off camera. Now what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to put him back just so that I can see what we got going on. You know what? Why you want to stay when the cameras is rolling? But when the camera is off, it's just like, you don't want to have nothing to do with it. I don't like that. I'm about to try to find a place to put this. So I can put this here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take this and stick it in over here. Ooh, yeah. See, look, boom, that's perfect. Boom. Then it's gonna make it full, it's gonna give it density, and all I did literally was stick that in there. But again, I'm gonna hot glue all of this down later. See how this just fell? I'm gonna go back and hot glue this down. So we stuck that over there, and then this one we can stick over here. Cute, look, ta-da, boom. All I did was stick them down in there. Now, I add my acorns. I forgot I had 2 of these. So, I'm gonna find a place to put these, find a place to put these, and my acorns, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I have to voice record this part because I had music playing in the background and I forgot, and I don't want to get copyrighted. So this is what the wreath looks like. I put my little acorns at the bottom over here, and I put my big acorn at the top. I didn't use the other pieces that I showed y'all because it just wasn't going to go with what I had going on, and I wanted to leave that space at the top and at the bottom. I wanted that to be like that on purpose, so I didn't use those. Out of the 2 ribbons that I bought, I'm only going to use one, and I'm getting ready to show you which one it is. So the bow that I chose to use was the one that has Happy Autumn on it, and it has like a gold trimming on it, but the gold trimming is like wire, so it is bendable. It's a 9-foot ribbon, so, and I am going to cut mine because as you can see, it's super long. So here I'm just gauging it, seeing how long or how short I want it, and then I'm going to start cutting it off. When you start cutting it, you want to do it little by little. Don't cut too much off at the beginning, because if you cut too much off, then it's going to get short and you're not going to be able to make it longer. So if you cut it off little by little, you can see gradually if that's the size that you want it. So this is the size that I wanted, and now I'm going to start to create the base of the bow. So what I'm going to do is take it and start to fold it over. It should look like a breast cancer ribbon when you fold it over the first time, and then I'm going to take the other side and fold it over the same, so when it's done you will get the basis of the bow. And you could leave the bow like that if you want to, or you can take the end of the bow and flip it over so that it's like that little piece in the middle, or you can leave the bow as it is. So I'm going to perfect the wreath and make it the way I want it. I'm going to glue it onto the wreath, and I'll show y'all how it looks when I get back. Hey, I'm back. So I put my bow on at the bottom. Isn't she cute? So basically what I did was the part where I did the base of the bow, and I just took, like, see in the middle, I just took an extra piece and wrapped it around the front, and then I hot glued this right here. And then here, my little owl is a wire at the bottom, so I just stuck him in and like pulled it up, kind of made a hook so that it stays in there. And this is our wreath, you guys. This is so cute. Oh, and let me show you how it looks on the wreath hook. Okay, so like let's say you want to put this outside, it would go on the door. I'm gonna turn it to the side so y'all can like see the hook part. You will put it on your door like this, and then put the wreath like this. Ta-da! And this is how it would look. That little bow on the bottom just does it for me. So this is our wreath. And like I said, you don't have to do it the way that I did it. You can do it however you want to do it. This is just the way that I did it. The materials, it didn't cost me, like I promise you, when I was at Michael's, it only cost me like $30-ish, and then I spent $3 at Dollar Tree. This is perfect for this time. You can also do it year round. So like when Christmas time comes, you can do it for Christmas time, you can do it for Easter, for Mother's Day, you can do it for holidays. It didn't take me no time. If I wasn't recording this probably would have took me like 20 minutes. It's really easy, and you don't need to buy one. I'm telling you, do not buy one of these. I was at Michael's buying the materials for these. These wreaths was like $50. The highest one was like $70. Girl, that's the side hustle. Get you some materials, start making you some wreaths, and make you some money, because this was like $30-something, and for real, I can sell it for $7. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.